Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about present continuous and present perfect continuous. That means what is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. To get about simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous, click the link in the description box. But this video is about difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's see what's the difference between present perfect continuous and present continuous. You have known the structure of a present continuous: be verb plus subject plus be verb plus ing form of a verb. Before means ing form of a verb. Tense means at first we have to recognize, we have to understand verbs. Okay. So subject plus am, is, are plus before means ing form of a verb. This is present continuous. And present perfect continuous, subject plus have been or has been plus be for the same ing form of a verb with have been or has been. What comes? Time comes with the preposition since or for. Since shows point of time and for shows period of time. I am living here. Be verb plus ing form of a verb. This is present continuous. We use this construction where what is going on at the time of speaking, there you use present continuous. I am living here. That means what? At the time of now I am saying I am living here. Okay. This is present continuous. When it expresses from what time we living here or for how many years we living here, there you use present perfect continuous. That means the construction related to past and present continuous. There you use present perfect continuous. I have been living since 2007. Here have been living. Have been living means something started in the past continuing still now. There you use have been living. I have been living since 2007. It shows one time. It shows point to time 2007. That means from 2007 I am living here. There we use I have been living here since 2007. It is raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. What's the difference between both? It is raining means now I am saying it is raining. At the time of speaking it is raining. So what I say? It is raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. It related to past. Okay. That means the raining started in the past and continuing still now. There we use has been raining, and comes one time comes, that what kind of time? Period of time. Where you use for, their period of time is used, and where you use since, that point of time. Okay. Also you can write here, we can say it has been raining since 10 o'clock. One time will come there. Okay. They are building the house. That means the work is continuing. Okay. There we say they are building the house. They have been building the house for 6 months. For 6 months when we say, that related to past. Okay. That means the building started in the past, continuing still now. Okay. There you use have been building. Okay. Have been building the house for 6 months. For 6 months. Or you can say since January, since February. In such way also you can use with for or with since. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.